Hey guys, what's up? Today we're going to memorize strong acids and strong bases. As you can see, there's 7 strong acids and 6 strong bases, and we're going to use a simple mnemonic that I got from another video. I'm going to link it in the description, but I made some minor changes and I wanted to make it a little more presentable because it was kind of hard to hear the video. The volume was super low. So let's start off with the 7 strong acids, and you can follow along with this mnemonic here. So, hi, class is boring. No. Class is over. Class is over. So, now what we do, we can add the H's in the beginning, to make them an acid. And now the final step here is to add the subscripts. 3, 3, 4, 4, and make sure to add a 2 here. And now there you go, we have all the acids. Now let's move on to bases. This one's especially my favorite. So, like Nathan knows that California is super basic. Make sure to have an R here. Now all you have to do for bases is add an OH at the end. But for the last 3, add an OH too. And there you go. Now we have all the strong acids and all the strong bases. Good luck with chemistry, and I'll see you in the next video.